I've been in Florida for 2 weeks now, and the next week is gonna be a little low-key and being at Suwanee River and Santa Fe. As you can see right here, I have my Seadoo RXPX 300 and the Seadoo GTX 300. But today, I'm riding the GTX. Look, I've got a special treat. We are staying here at Ellie Rays. If you don't know where Ellie Rays is at, it's on basically the corner of Santa Fe River and Suwanee. And it's known for the amazing spring hopping. But let me hurry up and launch, because if you can see up here, it looks like it's gonna rain. We're gonna try to make it today to Fanning Springs. And hopefully we're not gonna get rained out. But it's about 30 miles one way, so 70 miles round trip if we go off and see other things. But we brought extra fuel just in case. All right, let me hurry up and launch before this storm comes. You might want to put your hair in a little bun or braid it. I'm gonna teach these youngsters, you know, they're gonna end up losing wads of hair if they just let it down the whole time. All right, so we're in the water right now. I got Kaylee back here. This is one of my nieces. She's never really ridden on any of the Seadoos because she doesn't have time to hang out with her Thea. And then we've got Charles over here. Y'all know him. He's like the sheriff on the water. Everybody always says he looks like the game warden. We're here to go and check out some of the springs and show Kaylee what the Seadoo life is all about. You ready? All right, let's go. All right, guy, you lead. He's got the GPS. You see that? The full setup right there. I need to attach some cup holders over here. All right, so we got the no wake zone. So all I'm gonna do is just push this button right here for a little bit of cruise control so I don't have to hold the throttle, and just adjust the speed. And you'll see it right up there. I'm set to 7 right now, but we're about to get out of the no wake zone. All right, let me tie my hair real quick. All right, so we're debating on if we should still go, because you see this cloud. It's not very pretty. So we should still go?
Yeah. Underneath Seadoo right here says Xtreme.
Okay, he's extreme. Let's ride into the storm. That's what extreme people do. If y'all don't know about Xtreme, it's a Houston group. It's only locals allowed. We try to keep it, you know, local riders. But man, we've ridden in a lot of storms. Oh, there's lightning. Yeah, it's going that way. So let's go. We're actually gonna ride into the storm. I was looking at the radar, but it's okay. We got it. Look at those people, they're hiding. It's raining. Oh yeah. Not this one. The next one. The next one will be pretty. This is Hart Springs. It's in the Gilchrist County Park. There's a launch around here too. So that means we are right near Fanning Springs. Hey, clear that area for me, sir. Oh, look, see? You can see through it. I was kidding. You didn't have to do all that. But thank you. See, look, I'm just going to go right through his little area. Oh, look how clear it is. I said, too bad it's not sunny, but I was telling her that we can always ride back here when the sun comes out.
I told you. I put it in a braid like you told me. Break it.
Charles messed up, didn't even bring a fishing pole. We could be getting dinner right about now. What it feels like to ride in the rain. It's like tiny little rocks hitting you, and it's like sharp rocks hitting you on the face. Is he coming? We lost Charles. We should be right here. Hold on. Let me see. Where'd you go? What happened? We're right here.
Sure.
Look on your map. You don't have a map? Oh, look at that boat. He's showing you up. Charles trying to chicken out right now. But doesn't the water look cool? Like it's like going over. All right. We're just gonna hide under this bridge right now. Right under here. I found shelter, y'all. Huh? Am I bleeding?
2 very boring minutes later.
Alright, so it wasn't that long of a wait. The rain clouds have passed by. I mean, it's crazy how Florida is. It'll be raining hard 1 second, and then a minute later, it's no more rain. But it just comes and goes. We're gonna make the best of it. Look at those stairs.
Mammoth.
Manatees, uh-huh. Look, you see how it turned blue? It's dark blue right now.
This is cold. It's like ice.
All right, so we've got her all warm now. She was complaining that she's like, I don't know how y'all are not cold. And I'm like, we have fat to insulate us. You know, this girl's over here skinny, doesn't have a lot of fat, so that's, you know, that's the drawback. Oh, did he fall in or he jumped in?
I jumped in.
He fell in. But we wrung out her shirt and now she's so warm, and look, the sun is trying to come out. right, so Haley found the dryer. It started raining and it got cold, but in the restroom there's a dryer, guys. So go ahead and warm yourself up if you're ever out here and it's cold, and you could dry your clothes.
It's in the girls' bathroom.
Oh yeah, the guy's bathroom wasn't working. All right, now it's time to go and hit the restaurant for a refreshment, maybe a snack. It's right across, right around here. All right, so I didn't look to see if this restaurant right across from Fanning Springs, I think it's called Bell's Landing, was open on a Monday. It's not open. The next time it's open is Tuesday at 11 a.m. We're about 23 hours too early. So luckily I packed some lunch. We're eating some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches on the dock. Got her an umbrella because she's been shivering. No point in putting on some warm clothes because it's just gonna get wet again. It's raining. But we're gonna make the best of it. I told y'all, we'll ride in this rain if we have to, as long as there's no lightning that's nearby. But just to give y'all a quick view of it, this is an area that's really great for parking your PWCs right in between the dock and the restaurant. Because when boats come around, you don't want it hitting up against the dock. Or you can park right there on the beach. Just be careful of how shallow and make sure you're not gonna be sucking up anything. All right, now we gotta enjoy our peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Cheers.
A few moments later.
All right, we're done eating. Time to head back. All right, we made it, y'all, and I have no more fuel. Oh, he wants to get up. I'm officially out. So close, but so far. Look at that, the dock's right there. And we gotta put a little bit in here, just a little bit for right now. Okay, there's boats coming. Alright guys, as you can see, it stopped raining, or we just rode away from the rain, but we are literally dry right now. We're gonna go into the house real quick, maybe have a snack. What are you gonna do? Take a nap?